In this topic, we're going to cover how to select cell ranges. In this database, you can select a cells or range of cell by simply clicking the left mouse button and then dragging this and leaving the mouse button so that this selects this entire range of cells. And in case if you want to select some particular area at a time, for example, I just want to select row number 2 and 3 like this. At the same time, if I want to select row number 7, 8, 9, that case just simply press the control key from your keyboard and trying to select like this. See, at a time, 2 areas or 2 set of ranges has been selected. But only thing you have to make sure, just keep pressing control key. Again, I'm trying to select the multiple ranges like this. See, I selected here and here also I selected, here also I selected. After that, in case if I want to fill up with few colors within that particular ranges, you just simply go here and click on this. See, in case if you want to change this color, and similarly you can do like this. Clear? And just pressing Ctrl Z. In case if you want to extend the particular selection, for example, I just selected this area. I want to extend till column P. That case, you just simply use the shortcut key, press Shift button from your keyboard, keep pressing it. After that, use the right arrow button in your keyboard. See, like this. At the same time, if you want to extend down to row number 8 and 9 and 10, just use the down arrow key as well. See, like this. Okay. And also, if you want to select the entire column, that case you don't want to select like this. Instead, you have to just use your mouse and click on the header of this column. For example, I just want to select entire column K. Just click on the top of the K. See, it has been selected complete column. Similarly, if I want to select the entire rows of 12, so that case I just click on this top of the 12. See, entire rows has been selected. Not only you can select the single column at a time, instead you can select multiple columns and rows at a time by using control key from your keyboard. For example, I just want to select column H. At the same time, I want to select the OP as well. So just pressing the control button from your keyboard and OP, right? Similar way, I want to select 8, 9, 10 as well. So press control key and 8, 9, 10. Clear? And most interesting part is if you want to select complete area of this spreadsheet, you have to press the square button in between to row number 1 and column number A. So just selecting this, complete areas has been selected. Also, you can use the shortcut key as Ctrl A to select entire spreadsheet. In case if you want to select only the data, you just select any cell within the data and press Ctrl A. See, that case only the data will get selected. Clear? And also another interesting cool features in Excel is you can insert a number of columns and rows within Excel. For example, I just want to insert one extra column after column B. That case, just simply click on next to B column. That means currently showing C, and right click and insert. See, one extra column has been added, right? Similarly, I just want to insert extra row after Praveen. That means third row. That case, just select this row and right click and insert it. See, extra rows has been added. And in case if you want to additionally insert multiple rows at a time, for example, here after 7th row, I just want to insert 3 rows. That case, after 7th, just select the 3 rows like this and right click and insert it. See, extra 3 rows has been added. Similar way, I just want to add multiple columns within this database. That case, I just selecting 2, 3 column like this, right click and insert it. See, extra 3 columns has been added. So all of you clear this topic.